In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the free Streamline theme on Shopify. We'll go step by step together so you can follow along on your own screen and have the theme fully installed and published by the end of this tutorial. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the page where you can see an overview of your store, your orders, and your sales. If you're not there yet, open a new tab, log into Shopify, and select the store you want to work on. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on Online Store. This is where you manage everything related to how your website looks, including your themes, pages, and blog posts. After you click Online Store, you'll land on the Themes page. Here, you'll see your current live theme at the top, and below that, a section called Theme Library. Somewhere near the top right of this page, you'll see a button or link that says Visit Theme Store. Click on that. This will open the official Shopify theme store in a new tab. Once the theme store loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the search icon. It usually looks like a small magnifying glass. Click on that search icon to open the search bar. In the search bar, type the word Streamline and press Enter. Shopify will now show you themes related to that keyword. Among the results, look for the Streamline theme. When you see it, click on the Streamline theme to open its details page. On the Streamline theme page, you'll find more information about the theme, including previews and features. Here, you should see a button that says Try Theme. Click on Try Theme. This will add Streamline to your theme library inside your Shopify admin, but it won't make it live yet. After Shopify finishes adding the theme to your library, go back to your Shopify admin tab and return to the themes page under Online Store. In the theme library section, you should now see Streamline listed as one of your available themes. Next to the Streamline theme, click on the Publish button. When Shopify asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm that you want to publish it. Once that's done, Streamline is now your active theme. You can click Customize to start editing the design and make it match your brand.